Hey, what's going on, guys? It's K510 Automotive Group, and today we got another video, man. Today we're gonna be doing a drive shaft swap.
And we're dealing with a E39 540. Usually go bad on these is the drive shaft CV joint. It's usually go bad. Usually when they go bad, you got a lot of play in it. And we getting a lot of play in that. And then you hear like a knocking sound, usually when you're accelerating and decelerating.
What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be replacing the whole drive shaft. So we have to drop the exhaust. Take the heat shields off. But yeah, that's what we got planned for today, man. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. If you're into car stuff like this, like repair videos and just like car reviews, stuff like that.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in drive. I'm gonna let you hear the noise.
Hear that shit? Alright, guys, so we got the heat shield out, we got the exhaust out. So now we just gotta take off these bolts up here, and they look like a 24, and then drop these bolts, and then we gotta go all the way to the back. So now you can see the bearing leaking all over the place. We gotta take off these bolts right here. Disconnect these bolts from the differential. And that should be it. And then reverse procedure, you know, put everything back. Yeah, man, I'll turn this back on when we get the drop shaft out. You know, alright. Alright, we finally got the shaft out.
That joint got no grease.
It was just dry as hell. Looks like you can kind of rebuild it, like take off that C-clamp, slide it out. Oh, that's probably how you do it too.
The C-clamp?
It's a C-clamp right there. You pop that out and then knock it out like a regular axle shaft. Now we're gonna pop in this used one.
Oh, I think I'm supposed to get a gasket.
I mean, there's a gasket supposed to be. This one has a gasket on it.
It has one on it?
Yeah. Oh, we just reuse that one.
It is good condition.
It's in used condition. I'm a good condition. Now this joint got some cuts around it. If you want, we can go get one. Shit is like damaged. So but I think the reason it was making noise because that shit was just completely dry. Like look how shiny that joint. Like, it ain't got no grease on it.
Compared to the other one.
Yeah, that one is like the other one is like greased all the way up.
This one up when we build it.
Yeah, that one might still be good. Alright, guys, we got in the other drive shaft, the new drive shafts, or at least new to us, you know what I mean? We got that one and we just tighten up all the bolts. He's trying to like use a pry bar to like hold it in place. So when he
just that 17.
So what happened with this one is the somehow the drive shaft bolts came off from the back right here where it connects to the differential. The bolts like backed off by themselves. He was just driving it and didn't really know what was the noise. And when we inspected it, we found that all the bolts were loose, and the CV joint was completely dry. So for a quick repair, we just grabbed a used one just to get back on the road. But we're gonna rebuild that drive shaft. We're gonna rebuild it, put a new CV joint, new bearings, and install it at a later date. But we'll do a video on that, on how to basically change out your CV joints. Was there a lot of videos on YouTube on that, on how to replace those?
Nah, not really. I had to go to Google.
Okay.
Google it.
So there you go, man.
Step by step.
It's something that's in demand. Like when you go to search for it on YouTube, you can't really find a lot of videos of it. So we're gonna show y'all. We're gonna make one just for y'all, you know.
Because you usually find the E46s or the E36s, but with E39 you don't really find it too much.
Yeah. I mean, they're probably the same, but just to make it easier, you know.
Yeah, because in those videos they always say that.
Yup. But yeah, they're all the same. It makes you know it's a whole different size.
Yeah.
Different part number. And all sorts.
But with this one, you just gotta do this and that.
Yeah, man. But yeah, man. Hopefully we'll be done shortly and take you on that test drive and let y'all know how it feels and if that fixed the problem or if it's deeper than a CV joint. Maybe the differential went bad or something, you know. Alright, see ya. Alright, so now we're going back in with the full exhaust and O2 sensors. Oh, my God.
Oh, shit.
You find it?
No.
Alright, fuck it then, man. I'll move past that.
You don't need it.
I don't need it right now. Alright, guys, we gotta drop the exhaust back in. Yeah. Sounds smooth. Alright guys, so we just finished the job, man. Now it's time to test our work. You know what I mean? Make sure the drive shaft don't fly off, man. So far, how it sound like it used to?
Nah, that's something.
Sound like it's back?
Yeah.
Yeah,
that one good.
That sounds smooth. Yeah. It's really smooth too, man.
Give it the TS now.
No, we're not here for that, man. Shit. Yeah, this car is definitely ahead of its time, man. I love the way, you know what I mean? Like it just float, like you just feel like you're driving on the cloud, man. And you know you got the power too, got the V8 right under your pedal. You know what I mean? Turbo cars are cool too, you know what I mean? Like V6 or whatever. Yeah, it's just quiet, man. This thing is back.
First, it never.
Bearings is back.
But the drive shaft that we pulled out, it was in better condition than I thought. At first, I thought it was the center bearing was loose and it was just ragging and all over the place.
Yeah, that's how it sounds. It sound like something's rattling when that joint go bad.
Definitely.
Alright guys, just like that, man. This video is over, man. Thanks for watching the video. And please like and subscribe to the channel, man. And yeah, leave comments, man. And yeah, we out, man.